our hotel. I feel good about it. There is a G-Wagon outside. So, we just finished up eating a little snack. We checked into our hotel. It hasn't been just us in a while, so we'll do a tour of the room when we get back. But now we're headed to the main area, and we're gonna explore around and see all the sights. Yay!
We have to visit a pharmacy because I forgot my razor and I don't want to look like a caveman for the rest of the weekend, so
now we're here. We're seeing where this tunnel takes us. Mark thinks it helps us cross the street, so... Oh, there's things underneath here. Holy cow. There's a Dunkin'? Mark, donuts. Oh, hey. Welcome to our hotel. Come on in. While we're in Munich this week... Oh, look, there's Mark. While we're in Munich this weekend, we're staying in Hotel Condor, which is located right in the middle of Munich, on like the outskirts. So this is our hotel room. When you walk in, you have a full-length mirror. Then on this side, boom, bathroom. Is that a bathtub I see? We haven't seen one of those in a while. Next, if you move over, we have this thing on the door, or it's like, don't know what that is. Then you come in, we can block off the bathroom if necessary. Then you come in and we've got these great double doors. Ooh, laundry bag. Our last one broke, so I'm using this. Then we've got one side table, we've got a little mini fridge area. They didn't give us anything, because why would they? Two twin beds pushed together. Nice little area for our suitcase, a desk, and another side table, and a fan, which is great. She's turned all the way up. She needs to oscillate. Spread that love. Anywho, you might have noticed that I changed, so new outfit. And we're just gonna rest up for a little bit, recharge our devices, and then we're gonna go to dinner. Hey, we took our little break, we took a little nap, rest up a little bit. Now we're headed to dinner. Where are we going?
I can never say it right, but I think it's called the Hofbrauhaus. It's the famous beer hall here. It's been around since like the 1500s. And
I don't like beer, Mark doesn't like beer, so this is gonna be interesting.
But we like food and we like culture.
Yes, yes we do. See y'all there. Nowhere to go.
It's loud and crowded and busy.
And a kid just lost their water.
Yeah.
We found a table. Mark's laughing at me right now because I'm like gagging.
Bailey's didn't like hers, so we'll see if I like mine.
that bad.
Well, I'm not drinking both of ours, so.
Darn. Trying to post a TikTok. It's not loading. We just did a photo booth. Scrapbook material. We made it back to the hotel. While we were at Hofbrauhaus, Mark finally picked out one of his anniversary gifts. And for reference, our anniversary is May 25th and it's currently June 27th. So he got a half liter, it's all wrapped up, or half liter Hofbrauhaus pint glass because he didn't want to steal the one that was there. So, but I think we're gonna shower and then get in bed and do some work and go to sleep. So, see y'all in the morning. Bye.
Night night.
Good morning. It's day 2 in Munich. This is our first and only full day. We're headed to...
It's a restaurant called Leffy Pancake. It's like a Japanese pancake breakfast place. We're doing that, and we're gonna go on a bike tour.
Yup, I'm very excited. Mark did this bike tour in high school, and when we decided on going to Munich, it was like the one non-negotiable. We absolutely had to figure out what it was. So that's about 4 hours, and then we'll kind of figure out the rest of our day. See y'all at breakfast. That's really good, actually. Update. We've been on the bike tour for about 2.5 hours now. We stopped for lunch and this is what Mark got.
It's not quite mac and cheese. I think it's a potato, like
it's an egg noodle.
Egg noodle. And then I got like a pork rib something. I don't really know.
And then I got sausage and sauerkraut and a pretzel and a passion fruit drink mixed with sparkling water. And then Mark got apple juice and sparkling water. Very exciting!
We got free t-shirts.
Yep. Love it. So cool. We just finished our bike tour and now we're walking back into the main city area. We might wander around for a little bit, see the sights, do the things.
Shop a little.
Yeah. We just stopped to get gelato. Mark has it all over him now. I got the mojito flavor, and Mark got Kinder Bueno. I'm excited to be refreshed. It's hot out. So life update, we just got drinks, but Mark's came with tonic water, and neither one of us know what tonic water is. So Mark is gonna try it straight up before he mixes it with this drink.
So theory, we think it's just sparkling water.
But it doesn't look like it has sparkles.
Yeah, there's no bubbles or anything, so. Oh yeah, it's just fizzy water.
Lit, so now he can mix it in his fancy drink. I'm gonna try my first sip of my mojito. It's so good. It's to create your own fizz. Good morning. We leave today. Very sad. But we're headed to breakfast right now. I grabbed just 2 little like Teddy Graham type crackers on the way out from the hotel because this morning I was so hot, felt overheated, and I'm terrified of passing out again. Preventative measures. Mark's guiding us this morning. Our train's not till like 3, I think.
It's pretty late.
Yeah, so we've got a little bit of time to hang out and take our time and wander because our hotel is right next to the train station. Time to get some breakfast.
We just finished our breakfast and we're heading back to the hotel to pick up our bags. We originally were gonna take a train at like 3 o'clock, which would be like 4 hours from now. But we decided we are impatient and would rather be home sooner. So we're taking a train in the next like half an hour, which is
at 11:27. And it's 10:48, so hopefully we can make it. I think we can.
we should be able to make it. But
wish us luck.
we're on the way home. Life update. Our train keeps getting delayed and buying seats was optional. So Bailey and I did not buy seats because it was optional. This has resulted in us sitting on the floor, as you saw, and getting kicked out of the restaurant cart even after buying food. Our train has been delayed for over an hour now. And
on the tracks.
We're just sitting on the tracks. Yeah.
It just stopped on the tracks.
We keep having to reroute our trip on our Rail Planner app, and hopefully we get home at a decent time. Two more trains, and then a bus, and then we're home.
We've just come upon some very good news.
Disregard my face in that last clip. My whole day has been made. We get to ride maybe the shortest, tiniest baby train I've seen in my entire life. I think there's maybe 2 doors on it, and it's 1 car.
There it is. That's the whole thing. It's a single car train.
It sounds like a tractor.
It has 1 door.
We get a whole 10 minutes on this train.
Heck yeah. We're the only ones on here. Home sweet home.
Back to the mats.
Yay! Now it's time for a bus ride. Plot twist, we're taking an Uber. We got lazy. We got lazy.